Welcome to AventX, the Oracle Community solution of choice for streamlining work order packet creation from Oracle Cloud Maintenance. Whether migrating to OCM or already there, AventX is a straightforward, configurable solution that enhances your user's ability to generate and distribute technician-ready work packets with a few mouse clicks. This ensures technicians have the details they need to complete their work quickly and safely, and frees planners to focus on the bigger picture, improving asset reliability. To do this, AventX eliminates common challenges you'll encounter when adopting and running Oracle Cloud Maintenance. The lightweight application does away with the complications and potential security risks in configuring on-premises printers to accept SaaS print jobs. And it uses APIs to extract work orders and attachments from Oracle to generate the packets to be printed. Plus, the application offers rich, configurable settings to ensure planners only print to printers designated to their operating units, safeguarding work orders from printing to the wrong destination. AventX provides maintenance users access to additional native and DFF fields when generating work orders. For example, using Asset Area, Asset Work Center, Work Order Operation Resource, and more, AventX makes it possible to select an extensive range while only printing the work orders that meet the defined criteria. Finally, and most importantly, AventX gathers all your critical work order attachments before printing, not just PDF files attached to a work order. AventX can extract nearly any file type and include it in the printed output: Word, Excel, images, email messages, and even CAD drawings. In addition to work order header, operation, and other standard entities, AventX can pull attachments from any Oracle Cloud location using standard SQL queries. AventX can even extract URL attachments from external document management tools like SharePoint Online. Beyond work order printing, AventX can email work order output, making it easy to perform other necessary tasks, like sharing with a contractor or archiving the file for compliance. In addition to work order creation, AventX offers an add-on module that makes moving data into Oracle Cloud Maintenance simple, whether that's loading assets or work orders or inserting real-time asset data from meters and quality plans. To start enhancing your Oracle Cloud Maintenance work order printing, schedule a demo at strsoftware.com.